Hi guys, so today what I want to do for you all is I want to give you all a baby massage class. Now yes, I did a pre-recorded one where I actually went to a class, but today I wanted to shorten that video for you all and to show you guys the massage strokes to use on your newborn baby or your toddler if you still massage your baby. So I'm gonna go through the steps and I'm gonna do one of the stroke at a time so you all can see how it's done. So you're going to take your baby and place the baby facing down on your surface. Okay, so the first set of strokes are massaging or relaxing the legs and the feet. So to do this, we start with the bottom of the feet and you take your hands and you go in circular motions like this. You'd want to go all inside their little toes. And you'd also want to do the top of the toes and the top of the feet. And then you would squeeze going up like so. Next side, you would repeat it for the next side and make sure you do under the foot where the acupressure points are. You want to massage that well and massage. The next stroke is rubbing the entire leg. So you hold your hand like in a C and you put it onto the leg like this and you're going to rub from the buttocks, come all the way down to the feet and massage. So you're rubbing like this, cupping with your hands and bringing it down and rub their feet. And you would do the same for the other side. Rub their bum, bring it down to their legs and then to the feet. So once you've done that, you can go ahead and roll their legs. Now you're not going to be rolling it crazy, but you just want to massage it. Roll their leg. Milking the leg, you just squeeze. And then you have your dancing feet. And you say goodbye. Now you'd want to do the same for the hands. You'd rub their palm of their hands, you rub their fingers, you rub the top of their hands, and then you would put your hand like this, go under the shoulder and work your way out. And you can also squeeze and roll. One of the other strokes or moves is like this, hand over hand. And then feet over feet. And in Trinidad, we like to do this. Cross the feet and the hands. And sometimes we take all four and bring it up together and say peekaboo. And some kids do like that. Now, if your baby has gas problems or gas issues, one of the things you can do is the hand over hand technique. So you'll scoop out like this. And you'd want to do this about 6 to 8 times. And it can help with gas and colic. Now you can do this a couple of times for the day, and one of the other things you can do is if they have gas, you just hold their feet up against their tummy and usually they will pumps for you or they will let out that gas. And I did try this with my baby and it was helpful. So just try it. If you think your baby is gassy a lot, you want to raise their legs up towards their tummy and they will be able to pass the gas. So you want to love their face and you're going to take your fingers and go over and make a heart. And this is telling them that you love them. I love you. And it also relaxes the forehead by going straight across like this. And if you were to come under here and go out like this from the nose outwards like this, it's going to open up their sinuses and help them to breathe better. Next, you want to massage the upper lip press down, because sometimes this upper lip tends to be raised, so you want to press it down, helping that gum to be nice and flat or level. And you would do the same for the bottom lip. You want to press down there. You want to give the baby a little scalp massage, a little air massage. Okay, the next stroke. Turn the baby over and you're going to massage the baby's back and the baby's bum. You're going to rub it up like this because we want them to have a nice butt. Never massage their spine, or never run your hand or massage on top of your spine. You can massage on the side of the spine, but never are you allowed in an infant or in an adult to massage the spine. So you can massage in circles on the sides, but never on the spine itself. And you massage the bum, you massage the neck, and you make that baby very comfortable. And you can massage the feet again from here. So basically those are the strokes: the hand, the feet, the tummy, the back, the face, all of the massages that I showed you guys. It's very easy and very simple to follow. Remember, hand over hand, or raise their feet up if they have colic or gas, and always cross their arms, their legs, interchange. And you can even do the bicycle with the baby like this. Babies love that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on baby massage and how to give your baby those special touches and how to help your baby if he or she has colic or gas. So until next time, I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.